Express sine x minus 3 cos x in the form r sine x minus alpha, where r is greater than 0 and alpha lies between 0 and 90 degrees, giving your value of alpha to the nearest 0.1 degree. Hence, find the value of x in the interval of x between 0 and 360 degrees, for which sine x minus 3 cos x plus 2 equals 0, giving your values of x to the nearest degree. So here's the question then in summary form. So we just need to do the first part then, part A. So here, what have we got then? Sine x minus 3 cos x is equal to r sine x minus alpha, which is equal to r sine a minus b is sine x cosine alpha minus, it's r lots of, cos x sine alpha. That's the formula. Now we can equate sines and cosines, can't we? So let's equate the sines on this side. So here we've got r cos alpha, so I'm going to write that first, is equal to the sines on the other side, which is 1. And then equate cosines. Let's have a look at those. Minus 3 here. We've got a minus on that side as well. So we can drop the minus. And we've got, that should be an x, of course. So equate cosines, it's 3 with the minus, is minus r sine alpha. So it's r sine alpha, dropping the minus, is equal to 3. That's number 2. So that tells us then, if we do 2 divided by 1, sine over cos is a third, isn't it? So that's tan. Alpha is equal to 3 over 1. And r squared. If we square this and square this, we'll get r squared and r squared, cos squared and sine squared. Add them, you get r times 1, of course. So that's r squared is equal to 1 squared plus 3 squared. So we've done that there, so we can read off alpha. Shift tan, and r will equal square root of 10 when you square root both sides. Here shift tan 3, inverse tan of 3 equals, in degrees mode is 71.6 to the nearest 0.1 degree. So there's alpha and there's r then. We've worked those out. Okay, so find x where this is. So here for part B then, here, we've got, this is what we were dealing with, so we can replace that part by this. So r, which is root 10, so let's write it in, sine of x minus alpha, so it'll be x minus the alpha, 71.6 degrees, is equal to, I move this 2 over to minus 2, so that tells us that sine x minus 71.6 degrees is equal to minus 2, and move the root 10 down over square root of 10. Okay, so let's work this out then. It's a circle. We're going from 0 to 360. There's our circle then. Sine is negative, sine is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. So we draw 2 lines, mark off alpha, our associated acute angle, drawn to the horizontal, and simply write sine alpha is equal to, and drop the negative, 2 over root 10. So we need shift sine 2 over root 10, don't we? So inverse sine, 2 divided by the square root of 10, outside the square root, equals 39.2 degrees. Let's keep it accurate to a certain extent. So it's 39.2. So x minus 71.6 then is equal to. So that's our angle in question, and we've worked out that these are the 2 solutions. Round to here, 180 plus 39.2 is 219.2 degrees. Or, so there's another solution, isn't there, which is going round to here. 360 back 39.2, which is 3, 20.8 degrees. Okay, good. So that tells us what x is then. So that implies then x is equal to. Okay, let's tap it in the calculator then. Move the 71.6 over to add to these. So it's 219.2 plus 71.6 equals decimal 290.8, which is 291 degrees. That's to the nearest degree. And the next one is 320.8, 320.8, again plus the 71.6 equals 392.4. That's past our full circle, so we need to go back one full turn. So minus a 360 then to bring it back in range. The equivalent angle, 32.4, so that's just 32 degrees. That's to the nearest degree, which is what the question asked us for.